While simulating daylight design, sometimes you might encounter unreasonable results, and you know for sure that something must be horribly wrong. Using this simulation result as an example, there is too much light for this model. There is only one window on the south side, but the result shows 100% daylight autonomy, 100% ASE, and tens of thousands of lux everywhere. There are two common mistakes in the model for too much light. Mistake 1. The roof geometry might be hidden, or other building geometries could be hidden. In this case, because the roof is hidden, the light can land on the sensors without any obstruction. Mistake 2. Missing material assignment for a layer, or the materials are assigned incorrectly. If you unintentionally assign glazing materials to an opaque surface, this will cause excessive light to come through. On the other hand, sometimes you may have no light on the sensors, although you have decent sized windows. There are three common mistakes in the model for causing no light to come in. Mistake 1. Incorrect window material. If you accidentally set the window layer to an opaque material, or if the window geometries are in an opaque layer, there will be no light coming through the room. Mistake 2. The normal direction of the sensor grid is pointing downwards. As we explained in a previous example, when you set the sensor grid, the normal of the surface should point upwards. If you point it downwards, there will be little light landing on the sensors from the bottom. Mistake 3. Overlapping windows on a wall. In the energy model, we have to overlap the window geometries exactly on top of the wall. For daylight models, we trim the wall to create an opening for a window. If you don't trim the wall, the newer versions of Climate Studio automatically create the opening for the daylight simulations. However, the issue arises when the window is not exactly overlapping on the wall. Then the wall behind the window blocks the light from going into the room.